Hello, welcome to another computer terminology video. Today we will be covering term 4, storage. Computer storage is a mechanism that enables a computer to retain or store data as permanent storage. This differs from memory, as memory is inherently temporary, and memory allows data to store information and use as a gateway to put it over to storage for more long-term use. As we discussed in the previous video, RAM is a function that allows a computer to access and process short-term tasks such as running computer software. Storage is more of a long-term type of memory for long-term use. Storage devices such as flash drives and hard drives are a fundamental component of most digital devices, since they allow users to preserve all kinds of information such as videos, documents, photos, music, and other raw data. There are two types of storage: internal and external. Internal storage devices include hard disk drives, or HDDs, and solid-state drives, otherwise known as SSDs. Solid-state drives come in two standard form factors, the first being a 2.5-inch drive that looks like a standard smaller version of a 3.5-inch hard drive. And a new standard device called a M.2 NVMe drive now exists that has been in the consumer market for several years now and uses flash memory, allowing for faster speeds for saving and accessing your computer's data. External storage devices have been around for many years and even have out-of-date hard drives. The oldest form factors use magnetic tape as storage mediums. External storage devices include, but are not limited to, cassette tapes, floppy disks, vinyl records, disc-based storage such as laser discs, CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs, as well as flash drives, SD cards, and other externally connected hard drives. That's it for today's episode for storage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to give a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, a thumbs down works just as well. If you have any other questions regarding storage, leave them in the comments and I'll go ahead and respond. I probably may do a follow-up video if need be. Feel free to subscribe if you want more content like this. Go ahead and check out my previous video about RAM there on the left. On the right, you'll see the entire computer terminology playlist. And please stay tuned for computer terminology for next week, motherboards.